Tropical Storm Ian formed Friday in the Caribbean Sea, and much of the Florida Peninsula is already included in the cone of uncertainty for what could become a major hurricane in the days ahead. The tropical storm joins three other systems currently roaming the Atlantic basin, including post-tropical cyclone Fiona, which is impacting Canada, tropical storm Gaston near the Azores and tropical storm Hermine over the far eastern Atlantic. Here's everything the Fox Forecast Center knows about this significant threat to the southeastern U.S. next week. How to watch Fox weather on TVWhere's Tropical Storm Ian. As of Friday evening, Tropical Storm Ian was in the central Caribbean Sea and centered around 400 miles southeast of Kingston, Jamaica, and about 700 miles away from the Cayman Islands. The tropical storm had maximum sustained winds of about 40 miles per hour and was moving west-northwestward at 12 miles per hour. The hurricane hunters have several missions scheduled for Tropical Storm Ian to collect data that will be used to help meteorologists refine their forecasts. Tracking Tropical Depression 9. Fox Weather Know Your Zone. Florida evacuation map shows who will have to leave before a hurricane strikes, was under watches and warnings. A hurricane watch has been issued for the Cayman Islands and a tropical storm watch was in effect for Jamaica. A hurricane watch means that hurricane conditions are possible within the alerted area. A watch is typically issued 48 hours before the anticipated first occurrence of dangerous winds. A tropical storm watch means that tropical storm conditions are possible within the watch area, generally within 48 hours. Weather alerts associated with Tropical Depression 9. Fox Weather. What is the forecast for Tropical Storm Ian? The cyclone is only expected to slowly strengthen over the next 24 hours and more significant intensification could begin on Monday. The latest NHC shows the system becoming a hurricane in the northwestern Caribbean Sea on Monday as it nears the Cayman Islands. By the start of the work week, the future hurricane is expected to be located somewhere between the eastern Gulf of Mexico and the general vicinity of the Florida Peninsula, possibly with winds greater than 115 miles per hour. This would make Ian a Category 3 or stronger on the Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale. How are hurricanes rated? The Saffir-Simpson Hurricane Wind Scale explains the projected path and intensity of Tropical Depression 9. Fox Weather. Now what you want to focus on is how big the cone really is. The skinnier the cone, the more confidence in the forecast. The larger the cone, the more questions there as to where this storm is going to go, Fox Weather meteorologist Britta Merwin explained.